As you can see, it's a full house. Every row full. Vybz Kartel is 0 the game. You do it again. Atlanta, you came out. Immaculate performance. Kartel, trust me, it can't get bigger and better than this. Look, Red Balls are shed it. What can I say?
Wash off your clothes. Shut off your nose. Hey, hey. Glass of it. Don't pop off it. Real sharp time. Over there, sir.
We're at Vybz Kartel show in Atlanta. Stumbling, the man himself, Akon, legend. What going on, my brother?
Yeah, my brother. Peace, peace. How are you?
I'm good. It's good to be backstage.
Absolutely, man. To see him coming out in this way, man, is just is God sent, you know. Oftentimes we never thought we'd be able to see him like this again, so we have to come and celebrate him, you know.
Love, baby, I enjoy yourself.
Yeah, man, love. Of course.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Of course, I'm enjoying myself. Yeah.
What are you enjoying the most?
Vybz. I came from Florida just to see him tonight. Yeah, I flew in this morning just to see him. Yeah.
All right, big up a nice clean set. What's your favorite Vybz Kartel?
Turn on wine.
Yeah? Wine. Listen to me. Me need my family. You be brave, you hear me? Can you give me?
My name is you have to breathe before you even leave, and that's why.
You want me to sit? Yeah, I want you to sit on this big. Hold on. Who are the people that understand?
As a legend to this legend, what's it like to share the stage with Vybz Kartel?
We started from ground zero. So to now be celebrating such a moment, it's like a